Simon here today from the Balance Company, and today we are in the very NRFA annual conference up here at Toowoomba with Ron Hannify, who's actually invited us up here today as a special guest, which is much appreciated. Gosh, we have learned some fantastic stuff today with leaders from all over the country, people from all parts of the industry, being not only just business owners but even just everyday owner-operators and drivers as well, giving their hints and tips and points of view as far as where we can move ahead in the industry as far as profit margins, but in particular health and safety as well. So that's when we have a look at vehicles like this as to how it can make profit for your business, and also in a safety manner, as well as the likes of your fatigue and stuff like that. And hence why I'll even refer to over the Balance Company and what we've done to a vehicle such as this to maintain that extra life in your vehicle and the self-health of the operator itself. So we'll just use Rod's vehicle here as an example. There we've just done the steers. We did it just a few months ago. They're still running nice and smooth in there. In fact, last time that was brand new and still like nothing's even happened. So that was wear and tear on the tyres, and that's a few months. So that's just on your steers, balancing the wheels regardless of what speed you're doing. 60k, 70, 80, 90, doesn't matter what you're doing, the conditions that you're driving in. Just remember, up to 50% extra tyre life, and it's Australian made, Australian owned, it's Atlas, and it's balanced.